Welcome to the Daily Rant, and today it focuses once again on Microsoft, and it has to do with things that should be fixed that aren't fixed. So, of course, we've got Windows 11. It's been more than 3 years and a half now, and still, some of the things from a long time ago aren't fixed. Now, we talked about the famous start menu that a lot of people wanted to have. So many things changed that, okay, we'll have some changes. Does it address what people want? That's another story. But definitely 3 years and a half to have really interesting choices in the start menu. It's kind of long. And I guess Microsoft isn't listening to anyone. The other one, this one has been there for months and months. It's been talked about in so many blog posts that I've seen, and it's the famous menu that when you click the three dots in the File Explorer, it opens outside of the screen range if you're full screen. Yet, it doesn't seem like Microsoft really cares or wants to fix any of that, since it's still like that after so many weeks that I've talked about it. And there's a ton of these little things like that Microsoft just doesn't get, We've asked Microsoft to fix the darn recommended when that is not showing. You don't want to have that wasted space. You want a more compact and maybe customizable start menu with, the size. So there's so many things like that everywhere that you're like, why? What is Microsoft focusing on? Especially when you look at a lot of these are quite popular in the feedback hub. People have been mentioning them, wanting that to change, and still we're stuck with, oh well, these bugs are still there, or if it's not a bug, yeah, it looks like that. We'll deal with it. So I don't know. There's a lot of these little things that are a little sad, including the File Explorer performance too. A lot of people have been complaining about the File Explorer performance in general, saying, well, it's kind of sluggish and doesn't really necessarily work well all the time. And that's sluggishness in File Explorer for a lot of people. It's not even a thing that's been there for a couple of months. It's been years. It's almost been since the beginning of, Windows 11, and yet there was a problem. So, oh yeah, we're going to fix this. We're going to have File Explorer blazingly fast. Well, it ain't happened yet. What gives Microsoft? You need to focus on the right things in Windows and stop adding stuff people don't want. You'll add them when you fix what people want fixed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.